Hey everybody, welcome back. I wanted to make a quick video telling you about the still reigning king of audiophile amplifier performance. That's right, today we're going to be talking about Crown Audio's XLS DriveCore 2 series of amplifiers. I am a total fanatic about professional power amplifiers. And what I mean by that is amplifiers that typically are used to provide power to live venues or to unpowered professional monitor speakers. These are not amps that you're going to walk into your local stereo store or even like a Best Buy and find. And my absolute favorite amp of all time in this market is none other than Crown's XLS DriveCore amplifier series. Now the DriveCore is now in its second iteration, DriveCore 2, and this is the series of amplifiers that I have used as my personal reference for over, almost a decade. And I'll tell you why. The DriveCore topology inside these amplifiers is among the more neutral power delivery systems, if you will, that I have ever encountered in all of my travels. I would put an XLS DriveCore amplifier up against any high-dollar, mid-fi, or even entry-level amplifier, and I do think that pound for pound, penny for penny, cost no object, the DriveCore amplifiers hold their own. Now, the DriveCore topology is found in most all Crown audio amplifiers at this point, but the XLS series is the lowest price point amplifiers where you can get DriveCore technology. And DriveCore technology, for lack of a better word, is just Class D amplification. And Class D amplification is incredibly efficient. You're able to get super high watt output for a very small, lightweight, and affordable chassis. Typically, in audiophile terms, a 250, 300 watt per channel stereo amp is going to weigh at a minimum 30, 40 pounds. A really good one can weigh all the way upwards of 100 pounds or more. Never mind the fact that these are typically Class A or Class AB designs that dissipate a lot of heat and require a lot of ventilation, not to mention larger cabinets, and they can be a drain on your electric bill. I just assume have all of that power, all of that capability in a chassis that I can fit into most any cabinet, while at the same time having all of the neutral quality sound that I want from an amplifier. Not to mention too, an amplifier that can drive damn near any loudspeaker on the market today. And this is what makes the Crown XLS DriveCore 2 such a compelling product. The other nice thing about the XLS DriveCore Series 2 sound, beyond it just being really neutral to the source, which is kind of what you're looking for with an amplifier, you don't want an amplifier to color the sound of anything. I don't look at electronics as tone controls. I look at them as doing what it is they're designed to do. In this case, simply provide power to my loudspeakers. My loudspeakers have a sound of their own, just as any loudspeaker does, and that is ultimately the signature sound that you gravitated towards wanting. So the last thing you want is an amplifier that changes or robs you of that sound that you have paid for. And so as a result, the XLS DriveCore 2 amplifiers are incredibly neutral to the source material and neutral to the signal chain, which is why I recommend them and I'm such a fan. Also, they have so much power, so much speed, and so much finesse that they are awesome for extracting all of the low-end frequency information from your source and delivering that information to your speaker with ample control and finesse. And so if you have a speaker that is difficult to drive on the bottom end, a DriveCore amplifier, especially an XLS DriveCore 2, is going to bring out the best in your speaker's woofers. There are even some more benefits to the XLS series, and that includes their ability to be bridged. So yes, they come as standard as a stereo amplifier, but simply going into the main menu and selecting bridge turns the stereo XLS into a mono XLS, and that oftentimes doubles, if not triples, the power depending on your speaker's ohm load. You can also set a crossover inside the XLS amplifier so that no power is being wasted on the frequency band you're not asking your speakers to reproduce. So if you are crossing your front main speakers over with a subwoofer at 80 Hertz, you can literally cap the XLS DriveCore at 80 Hertz, meaning that 100% of the amplifier is going towards powering your main speakers. Another great feature about the XLS DriveCore is the fact that the Series 2 amplifiers we're talking about here are now more compatible with consumer-grade products because they have a selectable input sensitivity. And lastly, you do have the flexibility with XLS amplifiers in that you can adjust the channel levels independently. So if you need a touch of balance control between your left and right speakers or left and right surrounds, whatever speakers you're powering with your XLS DriveCore amplifier, you do have that little bit of finessing in terms of the channel level output. Do you agree with me in that the XLS DriveCore 2 series amplifiers are the best bang for your buck amplifier on the market today? Or is there another product that you recommend or that you've tried? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, the only person that has to enjoy your system is you. So happy listening, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.